This MacBook has been out for a year now. I will tell you all about the pros and cons of having this laptop as a main computer for editing, working, well, for every aspect of my life actually.
Damn.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel, bienvenue. Today I want to share with you important information about my MacBook Pro 16-inch, which is the 2019 model. I'm sure some of you would like to know if this model is still a good buy 1 year later. A year ago I decided to buy the 16-inch and not a 13-inch MacBook Pro for one main reason. I'm using this laptop mainly for editing videos and photos. The main softwares I'm using, and sometimes at the same time, and let me tell you, this little guy doesn't appreciate it, are Premiere Pro, After Effects and Lightroom. If you're new here to my channel, bienvenue. My name is Céline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist. Now that we know each other, let's go back to our MacBook Pro. Apple sells the 16-inch MacBook Pro starting at $2,399 compared to the 13-inch MacBook Pro's entry price of $1,299. That's over $1,000 difference. So clearly, these machines are priced to attract different customers. And I knew I wouldn't be happy with the 13-inch. My MacBook Pro has 32 gigs of memory RAM, a SSD hard drive of 212 gigs, a better graphic card, and a better processor. That being said, you might think, well, that's a hell of a beast she has got. And you're right. But now that I have used it for many months, I think I should have upgraded the graphics card and the processor to the maximum if I had the money. Well, let's say money wasn't an issue. I should have bought the latest, the greatest AMD Radeon Pro. That's an extra $600 to the budget. And also the 8-core processor, and that's an extra $300. Let me tell you why. Browsing on the internet and writing an article doesn't use much battery. The laptop is performing these tasks with ease and I can type all day. Now let's add a task: browsing, typing, and using the editing software. That's okay, the computer is heating, you can hear the ventilator working from time to time, but it's doable. Now I need some graphics for my editing. I'm using After Effects for a little while, rendering some videos. The ventilator is now on full blast, working his ass off to cool the motherboard and the processor down and everything else with a high temperature. And at that moment the battery is draining fast. You can't use your laptop without being plugged in constantly. It won't work otherwise. If I'm starting editing at 9 p.m. without plugging the laptop to the wall at 10:30 p.m., the battery is all drained. And you all know well that when your computer is overheating, not just hot, but overheating like crazy, your MacBook could shut down automatically if the temperature is really high. This can be both a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is that it protects your hardware from potential damage. The bad thing is that it can cause data loss. I have heard and read many posts about people having the same problem. Their 2019 Mac is overheating. Unfortunately, up until now, I haven't read many useful solutions. I'm using the activity monitor that shows the processes that are running on a Mac so I can get an idea about how they affect a Mac's activity and performance. That's one thing. Let's talk about the performances of the MacBook Pro. How long does a more or less 5-minute video like this one need to be rendered? How long until the video is out on a file that will be accepted on YouTube? At the beginning, when I had my computer for a month or two, it took 4 to 5 minutes. Oh yes, that was fast. I was amazed because I came from a MacBook Air from 2015, and let me tell you, this wasn't a good match with my editing software. It took me an hour, 60 minutes to pull out a 5-minute video. Today for a 5-minute video it takes a little more time, let's say 10 minutes. Is it because I'm so used to this beast that I'm adding more and more graphics, layer over layer, video, music, etc.? Yes, why not? But you can still feel that this laptop needs a little more boost. Just FYI, I'm cleaning this laptop regularly from useless files. I'm not using the hard drive for editing files in case you were thinking that it could be a reason the MacBook was overheating. So if you can find a 16-inch refurbished laptop for editing, think about the graphic cards, the memory RAM, think about the whole package. Let's have a chat now. Do you have the same heat issues with your MacBook Pro, whether it's a 13-inch or a 16-inch? Let me know in the comment section. So, mes amis, if you're still here watching this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button just down below and subscribe to my channel if it's not done yet. And for you who have already subscribed, merci. I will see you next week. In the meantime, take good care of yourself and your family. I am wishing you a Merry Christmas. Salut!